Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're diving into the world of translation jobs with one of Australasia's leading language service providers, 2M Language Services. Established in 1999, 2M has been helping businesses break linguistic barriers and expand their global reach ever since. If you're passionate about connecting cultures and enabling international communication, then 2M could be the perfect fit for you. So, how can you join the 2M team? It's simple. Just head over to their website and look for the Contact You tab. From there, select Career Applications. On this page, you'll find all the information you need to understand the specific requirements for the roles they have available. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Make sure to check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.